This is serious. The goats in my house sleep away after putting wrap cloth on their bed. Now we want to experiment. They say if we remove the cloth, they will run away. Yeah, remove one. Leave the other one. Remove. Ah! Don't take the other one. Okay. Wait, put it again. Let's see whether
remove the other one. Yeah, remove that one. Yeah, remove.
Oh yeah, let's try it again. Put the goat down and put the cloth.
They won't wait.
No, just get them. Let's see whether they will wait.
Yeah,
Let's see. Oh yeah, try and get the goats. Even if it's just one of them. Oh yeah, put the cloth. They will sleep, Abby.
yeah.
This is serious. Oh yeah, leave them. Leave it.
Yeah.
But is it only in the head or any part of the body?
Only in the head.
This is serious. Oh yeah, come and remove it again and let us see.